This is my Porsche Boxster that I bought from the salvage auction at the beginning of the year. And bit by bit, video by video, we are going to repair this car. So as promised from last week, today I'm going to challenge myself to do something I have never done before, and I'm extremely scared to start it. I've always wanted to do it, but I've never had the encouragement to do it, because if I get it wrong, it's gonna be very, very expensive, and you cannot just undo what you did, basically. I have removed the bumper from the previous video. I want to refurbish these two plastics over here, as well as the bumper, and these are gray, okay? I don't like how the paint started to peel off. I prefer them if they are black, okay? And not normal black, shiny black. I don't want it to look like that. I want it to look like this. And to add insult to injury, there's a scratch over here. This is lacquer peeled, and there are multiple of them here. I am very scared. I don't know if it's going to work, but I think at one point I have to just try my best, and I have to, you know, just try, see how it works. I may be good at it, I don't know. Perfect. That was much easier. Let's try with this piece of plastic here. So there's a lot of scratches here. You can see it's very bad. So I'm using 80. Okay, it looks like I need to go even lower. I'm gonna go 60. Now I'm going to move to the 80. Now I'm going to move to 180 grit. Now I'm doing 320 grit. I'm going to move to the 400 grit. We're going to hit it with the 60 grit. And now I'm going to go 80. And now I'm gonna go 180. And now moving on to 240. Now I'm moving to 320. And now I'm going to change to 400 grit. I'm going to wipe everything down with white spirit right now. And now we're going to start using the primer black. This is good. It's some good stuff. So this is the paint I'm using. It's gloss black. So now I'm gonna use the heat. It's just a hair dryer, to make sure it's completely dry before I sand it. 1200 grit. That's the finished result. Super smooth. We're going to do the same thing for these ones. We're going to clean with white spirit. Another coat of black gloss. Now I'm moving on to 1200. I think this one may fail, because I think the paint starts peeling here, because this moves. This is a piece of rubber, not plastic. So I'm going to sand it and remove this bit. I think I'm starting to regret doing this, but I don't know. It may work at the end. And now we're going to apply black gloss. So I have cleaned the surfaces, and now it's time for the finale. Body Shop Lacquer Clear. Let's see if that works. So I'm starting with the 800. Now I'm moving to 1200. I'm gonna move on to the 800. Okay, we're going to put the lacquer now. This is the scariest bit ever for me. Oof. Wow, I'm so scared. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Whew. Here goes nothing. Maybe I should go like this. So I'm going to go 1,500 for the whole bumper, okay? Next we go 2,000. We hit it with 2,500 wet sanding. So that's how the bumper looks like at the moment. It's very dull, but it's super smooth. So it's very smooth, but it's very dull, or matte looking, I should say. The next step would be to make it shiny. To do that, we have to polish it. But I've run my fingers through everything and I cannot feel the peeled lacquer anymore. And just to confirm, there's nothing. Of course, there are some, you know, rock chips, but this needs like way sanding down, filling, and like here as well, it needs filling and painting. Of course, here we're just doing the lacquer now. We're just fixing the lacquer problem. Okay, so we're using dual action machine polisher, and I'm using nano composite polish. So now I'm going to be using super rinse polish. Check out the shine on this, it's so shiny. You can see my reflection. Wow. And the peel is gone. Next, extra gloss protection.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.
Wow.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision.
Check this out. Amazing. I think it really turned out very well. I love it. That's with the boot would close. I can't believe I managed to do that. Honestly, guys, this is the scariest thing I've, like, I thought would never ever be able to do this, but I pulled it off and I am so proud of myself, and I'm not gonna stop there. But with that in mind, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something new. But if you haven't, you have at least this was an entertaining video for you. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts about the car, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Turned out to be very good, in my opinion, comparing to how bad it was. This is the one that was damaged, by the way.